Guangdong Qigong Industrial Group was founded in 2015. Qigong is a white-hair manufacturer which owns R&D, production, and sales experience with more than 5 years. Aluminum, stainless steel, retractable gate, folding gate, sliding gate, FRS, LPR are our main products. Our customers are mainly distributed Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe. Qigong factory located in Foshan City with 3 acres large. Convenient transportation is one of natural advantages. 1 hour driving to Guangzhou Port and Foshan Port. More than 65 people in workshop, 69 people in sales department, and 40 people in supporting department. Let us offer solution to customers in fast speed. In 2019, our total sales $17 million and export sales $5 million. What is our advantage? At first, R&D department and molding workshop are required to make new models every 2 months. High valuable products should help you to take up market faster. Secondly, shorter production time not only help you to win more time, but also fast, smooth cash flow in your business. Thirdly, professional after-sales service will be offered. When customers need technical supporting, we will respond in 6 hours. Fourth, several kinds of payment methods will be supported: TT, Western Union, and LC if necessary. At the same time, we also support trade assurance. Customers should not worry about their money and quality of products.